Hey you guys, welcome back and thanks again for following along. So I had a roof leak here in this house and I'm here to repair this ceiling and also the roof. The roof has been prepared, so now we're going to work on preparing this ceiling. So first things first, we got to get up here with a putty knife and scrape all this loose stuff off. Absolutely get everything that's going to chip or flake off and get your surface prepped and cleaned really well before you go putting any compound on it to get it flushed out. I also got a little place over here that has chipped off. I'm gonna flake that out, chip it off, and fill it in there and also make that look really nice. So I'll be doing that. I'll show you the process of how to chip it off, how to keep everything clean. A lot of times in these houses, guys, the main thing, this is really minute work. It's pretty easy. You know, anybody knows how to pretty scrape off this kind of stuff, but be careful the ceiling doesn't start to come down on you or anything like that. The other thing that a lot of people don't think about in these jobs is dust control. Like, so this house, nobody's living in it now, but say somebody was living in this house, I would get this room cleaned out and either put plastic over this door where no dust could go in and open my windows as well. Or, like I say, nobody's living in this house, so it's a good deal. Just open up some windows. But if people's living in houses and you're working on dust control, a lot of people will get on you about dust. So that's one of the major factors there. But I'll be repairing this. I'll be back again with what it looks like. This is before. I'll be back with the after shot of it and what I did to it and what you can do to fix plaster walls and drywall repair. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Hope you like these videos. Follow along. I'll be back with more. I do a lot of construction, repair. I do masonry, electrical, tile, roofing, gutter repair, a little bit of everything on houses. I've pretty much been doing it my whole life. So stick around, follow along. I'll be back with more of these videos on how to do construction work and how to repair your homes. Thanks. Have a wonderful day.